Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm sharing with you some simple DIYs. So without further ado, let's get started.
In this video, I'm showing you an easy way to keep your house smelling fresh and nice. I took this plastic vase that I got from Santosh. It was priced at Rs 10 and was named as a flower pot. I use these bamboo skewers, and for some added decoration, this jute tape. And some flowers. This literally takes less than 5 minutes to put together. Just take a few skewers, as little or as much as you need. I took around 4 skewers, and any essential oil of your choice. I had this Ocean Breeze essential oil and I really like the smell of it. If it's in a bedroom, you can use lavender or eucalyptus, or citronella is supposed to be good in getting rid of mosquitoes. So you can choose what you want. This was what I had on hand, and so this is what I'm using. Just take the essential oil of your choice and pour it into the vase. Dip the pointed end of the skewers and get it coated with the essential oil, and then put it the other way around. And for some added decoration, I just took these plastic flowers and attached them to the top, just to make it look a bit more prettier. And then, since the mouth of the vase was a bit jagged up, I covered it with this tape. As the vase was lightweight and the sticks were also not very heavy, there was chances for this vase to topple down. So I added in a few pebbles inside the vase to keep it steady. Let me know in the comments down below which place you are from and what kind of weather are you going through now. Here in India, summer has started already. And that's it. The simple DIY is ready. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you.